Comfee Portable Mini Dishwasher, sold by Amazon.com. Introducing the Comfee Portable Mini Dishwasher, perfect for apartments and RVs. This compact dishwasher features a 5-liter built-in water tank, eliminating the need for a water hookup. Simply add water manually and place it anywhere without connecting to tap water. Alternatively, connect it to your kitchen faucet using the included water hose and adapter. Its ultra-compact design can wash over 30 items, including plates up to 9.5 inches. Ideal for small houses, apartments, dorms, boats, and campers' RVs. Choose from 6 program options: normal, rapid, steam, fruit, glass, and air refresh. The rapid program requires only half the standard detergent quantity. The fruit program needs no detergent at all, making it easy to clean produce. The hygiene wash cycle heats water up to 192 gross for heavily soiled dishes. It's also perfect for cleaning baby bottles and children's dinner sets. The air refresh mode circulates air to remove moisture and odor. This keeps your plates and the machine dry and fresh for longer. The function is enabled by default but can be deactivated if unnecessary. Ensure your countertop and wall cupboard have a distance of more than 19.6 inches. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Comfee Portable Mini Dishwasher today. Rated 4.2 stars, order today for $269.99.